Hey there, fellow web creators. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech topics to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to restart your Weebly site in 2025. If you've been managing a Weebly site, you know that sometimes things get glitchy. Maybe your pages aren't loading right, or you need a fresh start after making updates. Restarting your site can fix these issues quickly, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's jump right in. First things first. Open your web browser and head to the Weebly website at weebly.com. Log in with your account credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up, but I assume you're already a pro here. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your command center for all site management. Navigate to the specific site you want to restart by selecting it from your list of sites. Now, look for the Publish or Republish button. It's usually at the top of the page. Clicking this will rebuild and refresh your site. But before you do, double-check any recent changes you've made to avoid losing progress. Go ahead and hit that button, and Weebly will handle the rest in the background. To ensure a complete restart, clear your browser's cache. This step is crucial because old data might still cause problems. In most browsers like Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Clear Browsing Data, and select Cached Images and Files. After that's done, give your site a few minutes to fully update. Test it by visiting your live site URL. If everything looks good, you're all set. Remember, Weebly is user-friendly, but if you run into errors, check their help center for the latest 2025 updates. There you have it. A simple way to restart your Weebly site and keep things running smoothly. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy building.